Well, good afternoon, Athens. Student meteorologist Michael Donehoo back here in the Weather Dog studio. Here we are at 88 degrees currently in Athens, Georgia. You can see that feels like temperature all the way up to 94 degrees. Feels really hot and humid out there. That's because we got those southeasterly winds. That's going to be driving those precipitation chances for the next few days and holding that humidity in place. Take a look at those forecasted highs. Most of us have already peaked today. Athens going to creep up maybe another degree or two, high of 89. It's going to be upper 80s across most of North Georgia, with maybe a few isolated 90s up here in northwestern Georgia, Rome and Dalton. Certainly going to be hot across the area today. Take a look at the precipitation chances here this afternoon. Athens already had a shower come through earlier this morning around 10 o'clock. So we did dry out, but certainly could have another round later on this evening. You can see pretty widespread here, just a few showers across the area. But as we play it on through for you, come on to 8 o'clock this evening. We'll have a few more flare-ups here south of Atlanta, and those southerly winds are going to push them up towards us. So you can see Athens coming, maybe Madison could see some isolated storms this evening. It's going to clear out just a bit this overnight tonight, but you can see it's going to be a dry start tomorrow morning, more than likely. Likely some clouds in place, maybe a few spotty showers, but most of us will be dry. It's not going to be until Saturday afternoon where those flare-ups are going to start happening again, and that coverage is going to increase. Boom, right there, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon with that daytime heating, and those southerly winds are going to be pumping all that tropical moisture up our way, so it's going to really increase those rain chances. Here we are, 5 o'clock. Again, you can see it's pretty widespread, but certainly some of us will be dry and some of us will get a little rainfall. Here we go. Tonight, 71 degrees, going to be humid. Can't really rule out a stray shower or storm overnight, but most of us will remain dry. Take you on here tomorrow, 91. Going to be scattered showers, a little bit more coverage tomorrow, certainly for most of us. And that's going to be the trend as we go here into the weekend. Again, most of us will remain dry, but we will have plenty of moisture in place for those storms to be firing up. Maybe some heavy downpours, maybe an isolated storm could result in 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts, but nothing severe. Very marginal risk for most of us here in Georgia. Take a look at the temperature outlook going into next week. You can see we did take a little dive here on Tuesday, 89, but then we're going to come right on back to the upper 90s by the time we get to the end of next week. Going to start the week here on Monday with a 40% coverage of storms, but we do dry out just a bit. We'll keep you updated on those rain chances as we go into next week. So once again, student meteorologist Michael Donehoo, and have a great weekend.